Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Salam Manzoor here. So in this video we are going to learn about how we can create a complete time counter in our funnels, in our email template, or even in our websites as well. So it's a super easy. That's our time countdowns. We will use it for our email templates, for our funnels, and for our websites as well. So first of all, you need to go to simply marketing, and marketing. After that, you can see the countdown timer. I just simply click on it, and here we have nothing, so we will create here. Just simply click on it, and here we have all time counters. There is already templates design. You can select design from here. That's a minimalist sample timer, and also there is a progress timer, and here is a timer rings. It's up to you what time you want to select, and what is your offer, and where you want to use it. So for now I'm going to use this one, and we can change it according to our requirement. That's a square box timer. I just simply continue with that, and yeah, that's the timer. And right now we have two things here. That's a general setting, and we have style. So first of all, we are going to do a general setting. It's a recurring or it's a dynamic. It's up to you, or it's a fixed. For example, we can say that recurring. For example, this time is end, then it will be start from the zero, like a watch. That's a recurring. If a dynamic, it will be changed according to your requirement, according to the action, and according to the your time end. Here you can select the time and date, which time you want to start it, and which date you want to start it. You can just select your time and counts, and also you can select time zone, whatever time zone you are in. Here is all time zone available. Just simply go and click and select any time zone that you want. And active timer leads to the link, and for example, someone click on this timer, what's happening here, so you can link your lead page here. So in my case, I'm going to link my website, that's called leadsflex.com, and after that you can link whatever you want to link here, and you also link to expire link. For example, the timer is expired, what you want to show. So normally we are going to show a logo, but in my case I'm going to use same link. And after that I just go to the stylish area, and here we have again option. We can change the templates and show days, hours, minutes, second. Either we can say it's an internal carousel. It's up to you, whatever you want to use. And here you can see that's a basically total design. You can change it according to your requirement or according to your design. And here you can change the time as well, whatever time you want and whatever things you want to show here. You can all things up to you. You can change it according to your requirement. If you want to change radius, just simply go and click, and radius will be changed something like this. And if you want to change color, you can simply click on it, and you can add your custom color here. And if you want to make it transparent, so you can simply click on, but right now that's a coming soon. And also you can add image as well. When this expire, what will be show. We have already added, no need to add here. And here is some paddings and margin. You can play with it, and you can design it according to your requirement. I just put a name, and I just say that's a test timer, and I just save it. Here we have two options. We can use via link, or we can use copy code and paste this just code. So I just left, so I just make it center, just copy the code, and I just go back here, and here you can see we have test counter, and I just go to the site, and in the site I just go to the funnel, like I just go to this funnel, and I will use it. I just simply click on it. So for example, we have offer for this page, so we are going to use here timer. I just simply say full width and counts, and we will use count timer. And here we have test timer, and you can simply use it. That's how you can use it in a funnel, same in a websites. And for example, if you want to use in a email templates, so simply go to marketing, simply go to emails, and go to templates, and create new templates, and design editor, code editor, or we will select this one. And we already have email template. We can use a template, either we can use, like right now we are simply going to use a timer. That's a timer that's we have designed. Just simply click on it, and it will be pop up here as well. And same here, same the procedure you can use with the store, with your anywhere you want to show. That simply click on it, and your timer will be start working on it and starting pointing to the your destination position. So yeah, that's it from the timer. And if you want any Go High Level related services, simply go to leadsflex.com, book your free consultation. Either you can go with my affiliate link, the link in description box below, and you will get all these snapshots. And also I will jump within a call and I will fully set up for you, and I will set up each and everything in for you, like all things, and you will get all these things free of cost if you can go with my affiliate link. Thank you so much for watching this video.